Ko Shannon kona hau, no ria hau o Ngāti Porou me Ngāi Tahu. I'm the founder of Tōnui Collab. We're a charitable trust that creates STEM learning opportunities in the Tai Rāwhiti. So it's an opportunity to introduce our tamariki and rangatahi to the diversity of STEM. And when we talk about STEM, we're talking about science, technology, engineering, maths, mātauranga. I think one of the issues that currently faces us is that there is a lack of representation of Māori in the tech workforce, and so for our up and coming, for our rangatahi, it means that it's harder for them to see themselves as tech innovators. From my perspective, we need to be creating opportunities for them to be immersed really young before they're making those decisions about their career paths. Introduce our tamariki and rangatahi to the pathways into the tech workforce and what that might look like, whether that's in secondary schools, whether that's entering tertiary education, or looking at heaps of the other programs that exist now. So I definitely think it is an investment piece, that we need to be investing in greater opportunities for equity, and we need to be considering that equity means connectivity, it means hardware, and then it means education around what the opportunities are. And supporting them looks like financial investment. It also looks like if the Crown doesn't believe that those programs are successful enough, walking alongside and helping to build those programs up, rather than going, it's not successful and we'll just place another program in place. Yeah, I mean, how do we help our tamariki and our mokopuna be amazing at anything, right? So it's building a growth mindset. I think it's encouraging them in whatever their interests and passions are, but it's also highlighting our responsibilities as humans to be doing things that, one, make us happy, but also are going to be improving the world for us, our whānau. You know, be a good ancestor. Isn't that the tale? Is that, so what are we doing that can be a game changer? And if we can have a lot of fun along the way, and if we can create a lifestyle that works for us, then we're winning.